Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset HONOR X70i. Okay, so the first method, which is recommended when we have access to the phone, is simply by the settings. So let's open up the settings. Now we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find System and Updates. In here, click on Reset. We can also in here reset all settings. Also, we can reset network settings in here, but we are interested mostly in reset phone. So in here, basically, we will lose all of our data, and remember that you won't be able to restore them in the future unless you will create a backup. So if you don't know how to create such a backup, also on our channel there is a video when we are showing you the whole process. So if you want, you can look for it. Now all you need to do is to tap on that reset button, follow the instruction on the screen, and if you do everything properly, and I'm sure that you will, the screen will go black, and within a few seconds the phone will be turned on automatically, and then you need to set it up basically, and that's all. I'm not gonna show you that because I have other options to show you. So the second method, which is recommended when we don't have access to the phone, or for example when the phone is frozen, unresponsive or lagged, is by the recovery mode. So first we need to turn off our phone. Let's hold the power button to launch the power menu. Let's click on power off. Now the device is off. And now to enter the recovery mode, we need to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Let's keep on holding. Okay, as you can see, the HONOR logo appeared. Let's keep on holding still until we get access to that mode. Okay, now we are in the recovery mode. Okay, to move around this menu, we can use the volume keys and the power button to confirm the selected option, but we can also use our fingers. So in our case, we need to click on clear data. As you can see, it works with the finger, and also I'm gonna show you that it works with the buttons. Okay, select factory reset. Now we need to type the word yes using our keyboard. Now click on factory reset. Now the process will start, as you can see. So now let's wait until it gets to 100%. Okay, it's finished. Now click on back, click on restart, and now within a few seconds the phone will be turned on again, and just like in the previous method, you will need to set it up. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.